Namaskar, this is your host Swarnim Kasana and you're welcome to Daily Diary News. Today we are at a very important event in Delhi. We are at the grand finale of Mrs. India International Queen 2024 where many women, many Mrs. titles are competing for the grand title of Mrs. India International Queen 2024, and we have with us the organizer of the whole event. The responsibility of the whole event is on her shoulders. We welcome you, ma'am, to our channel. And I've introduced yourself, but I would like for you to tell our audience about you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Sharma. I'm the founder and director of Mrs. India International Queen, and this is an incredible beauty pageant to empower women with the motto of be strong, be confident and be you. And I must say that we have got very amazing response for this year. We have got contestants participating from 7 different countries in India. So I'm glad that we are having an international beauty pageant in India for married women.
So how was it like planning the whole event from starting to the end stage?
It's beautiful because women does a lot for the society, for their family, for friends, and I believe that women need to be loved, recognized and appreciated for who they are. So the team and me have been really excited since beginning. Yes, though it's tiring sometimes, but I believe that's a part of the process, and it keeps everyone motivated because of the process that we get so much of love from the people and respect. Thank you.
So how did the idea of we see titles mainly competing women who are not married, and this competition mainly is a competition between married women, so how did the idea come of it?
So I myself have been an international level winner for Mrs. International and a national level winner as well. My life journey has been really beautiful after the pageant journey. So I deserve the kind of love, respect and appreciation I received. I believe that every woman should receive that, and that's how I decided to have this pageant. I would rather say an international pageant in India where women from different aspects of life, especially married women, can participate and showcase their talent to the world.
So what kind of message do you want to convey to the society, the people, by conducting this competition?
So I believe that women are very strong, they're very powerful, they're very talented, and they have a lot of capabilities in them. All they need is the strength to realize that. But especially after marriage, I would say especially women, they are indulged in family responsibilities and sacrifice a lot. So I believe that they deserve to be loved, appreciated, and they should be given a platform to showcase their talent and live their dreams and be the best version of themselves. Because women contribute a lot to the family, to the society, and at Mrs. India International Queen, we empower them with the motto of being strong, being confident and believing in themselves.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your time, and I hope whatever message you are trying to convey to the society is delivered. Thank you so much.